don't like this.
Just for the record, though, I have got it on ear-rapingly loud for a reason.
Alright.
So don't pussy out on me, alright? It's to make me scream. So.
Guess we're going upstairs.
Well, at least I brought some wood with me.
Does she spawn in right away, or does, you know, does she give us a chance at least?
Perhaps. I'm gonna quickly...
Oh, she's there! She's there! She's upstairs!
Where's she? Dude, I can't... Where do you even go?
Just back.
I'm lost.
Here.
Oh! Fuck, dude.
He was right up here. Oh, she's there! She's coming down!
No! I can't help it, bro. No, fuck that shit, bro. I'm alright. Is he through that?
Have you seen her yet? Is she coming?
Dude, look at her, she's there. She went upstairs.
Right, let's go. Let's stop being pussies.
Yeah. She's just walking around.
She's coming back. She's coming back.
What's she gonna do, though? What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do? What are you gonna do, bitch? Yeah, you're walking around like you just shat yourself. It's not scary anymore, is it? What's this? Oh! I don't like it. We're not gonna get caught here, are we?
No.
Oh, I can hear footsteps! I can hear
Why have you done this to us? That's so creepy.
I can't! We can't leave! Let's just do a zombie trainer. She can't! Run!
Oh my goodness.
Upstairs.
I can't believe that worked.
Upstairs. All that. Experience some zombies.
Oh, this is a baby here.
Right.
She's coming.
What? Where is she?
She's coming.
Run! Get out of here. Wait, so I'm holding. Are you both of us are holding onto a baby right now?
Ah, I don't know. We have to.
There's another note there.
No.
No.
I am not having that.
I can't.
I'm not having that. I just saw that. I'm not having that.
Oh, she's growling! What the fuck?
Where is she?
That's girthy. Oh! I'm shaking! Oh, she's shaking! She's really angry.
Was she growling?
She's flying. She flies around now. Nah.
Wait, I think we need to go to the basement.
How'd you get there? Wait, hold on. Is she still here? You are in danger. I can only think of a way you can stop her for good. Burn the marked dolls.
Alright.
You gotta put it
That's what the
downstairs.
wood's for then.
Right.
And there was a
But I'll
furnace
down.
in the basement.
And let's go, bro. Quick, before she gets down. No, she's there. Run! Get through the fucking door! No! She's here!
No.
Dude, doors are you opening doors?
No, it's her. I'm in the attic. No! She just spawned right in front of me!
Come to save you,
Uh-huh. Got another key? The attic key.
Oh yeah, no, which one that one is.
There's running babies.
Dude,
I opened the door and a load of babies ran out.
That's hilarious. Got matches.
Matches, alright. That must be to light the furnace. Oh, here. Let's go. Basement.
Alright. I somehow tapped out. Oh, she's Oh, no, 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 run, 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 run. What? Oh, I can't. I'm sorry. Dude, I'm literally
Yeah.
looking at
You're tiny. You're tiny.
my little baby.
Yeah.
I'm a little baby. Right?
Hello.
I have to revive myself.
$7 left.
Alright, am I alive? Am I normal?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Okay, so do you reckon if we go out there we're not going to get instantly spawn raped?
Oh, he's standing.
Took my hole, bitch. How much time? Bitch.
Get in the car.
Fucking bitch. Oh, I missed Not me, not me, just that. Oh, all the keys.
That was
It's a
terrifying.
little view.
That was a jump scare.
Little old view.
That was a jump scare.
I like how they added the feature to be able to push. You can run past like, fuck off, bitch! Shut up, bitch! Oh. Ow, ow, ow. My fucking ears. Oh! Oh, she got me. Yeah.
Everyone, we lost. What's this?
Hiya.